Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be my unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I was actually planning to make an unboxing on these the day they came out because that's the day that I got them delivered to my home. But that's also the day that I went to Toronto to watch the Weeknd concert. I had a great time at it. I've been wanting to see the Weeknd perform for so many years now, and I finally got the opportunity and it was amazing, but that obviously postponed the unboxing for the AirPods Pros, so they've just been sitting around on my desk for a few days now, and I am just super excited to finally open them up. So some new things that we're seeing this year with the AirPods Pro 2 is an updated H2 chip, adaptive transparency, and touch control finally being added to the AirPods. So that means you can adjust the volume just by simply swiping on the stem of the AirPods. And that was a huge reason for me to buy these things because it was so annoying at the gym. Like, I would always have to get my phone to change the volume or ask Siri, and if someone came up to me and started talking to me, I would have to take one out, versus now you can just swipe and bring the volume up or down, which is a huge help. These guys retail for 330 Canadian dollars, and if you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the AirPods Pro 2. Okay, so packaging is very similar to the previous AirPods Pros. You can just see there is a bit of a design change. It's very minimal though. So we get a little image of the AirPods Pro 2nd gen on the cover here. We get the Apple logo on both sides. On the very top it says AirPods Pro. On the bottom we just get some item information, and on the back it just says AirPods Pro designed by Apple in California. We get a couple pull tabs, so let's go ahead and open this up. Nice and easy, there we go. Now we'll just lift this up, and then we get some paperwork. So designed by Apple in California. We get the AirPods Pro manual and how to set it up with your phone and everything, and then some more paperwork in different languages. So I'll go ahead and put that back. And there they are right here. They look almost identical to the last gen. So let's take this little plastic wrap off. And there they are. Very simple. They do look almost identical. I've got my old ones right here on the top. You can see from the front it looks pretty much the exact same. The case actually looks just slightly bigger. Like you can see on the right there, it looks a little bit wider. There's the back comparison, and the other side, there's a little attachment right here where you can get a lanyard and attach it to things like a backpack and carry it around. Personally, I don't think I'm going to be using that feature at all, but if you are someone that wants to do that, then of course you can. Now let's go ahead and open them up. So boom, there they are. They look almost the exact same, guys. Really, the only difference is the little black part here is a little bit smaller compared to last gens. And something else that's a little bit different on the bottom of the case is that we get some speaker cutouts. So that's going to be used in case you lose your AirPods, and using the Find My app, you can make it play a sound, and it's going to be a lot louder with the AirPods Pro 2 versus the original. So that should make it a lot easier to find, and I will be testing that in my full review. And other than that, we still get a lightning port on the bottom. Unfortunately, it's not USB-C. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the actual AirPods Pro 2 themselves. So let's set this up with my 14 Pro Max so you can see it's in pairing mode with the little white LED flashing. Okay, there we go. So we get the little animation. So AirPods Pro will hit connect. Little chime there. Connecting, almost there. Come on. Really cool animation. So media control, we'll hit skip. I do not want it to do that, so I'll turn that off eventually. I'll just hit not now just because of the video. And then for battery, it's actually pretty good. It's been sitting around for 4 days now, and it's still decently charged. So I'll hit done. So I'll show you guys the really cool animation that happens on the dynamic island on the 14 Pro Max here. So if you open this up and then take an AirPod out and then just put it in your ear, you'll see on the dynamic island right there, you can see the AirPods Pro 2nd gen spinning around, and it showed us the battery life too, which is pretty cool. Then if I go into my Bluetooth here, it's just going to be labeled as Austin's AirPods Pro number 2. So that's pretty much it for the setup, guys. Let's continue to look at the actual AirPods themselves and what comes inside of the box. So you can see the stem is a little bit smaller than the 1st gen, but other than that, everything looks very similar. I'll go ahead and take out the other AirPod just to kind of see what it looks like compared to this one. So yeah, you can see the stem is just a tiny bit shorter on the new one. It's really not by much though, and that's really it. Like, it's going to be super hard to tell who's got the new ones and who doesn't. Not that anybody really cares or anything, but it's just very hard to see what the differences are physically when you compare them both. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside of the box here. So we've got the box. We'll just go ahead and take this little holder out. So you do get a 1 meter USB-C to lightning cable. Unfortunately, no charging brick again, just like pretty much every Apple product nowadays. Then the last thing you get inside of the box is the adjustable tips. So let's go ahead and open that up. So you get 3 different sizes. You get extra small, small, and large, plus the ones that are already on the AirPods Pro. So that's everything that you get inside of the box. So now we've unboxed it, we've set it up. Let's go ahead and give it a quick test. And then once I've used it for about a week or so, I will be making a full review on them, but this is just going to be my first impression. So let's move on to that. All right, here we go. Now I'm very excited to test these out because I've seen a bunch of reviews saying that the sound quality is a bit better and that the noise cancellation is better. And then one other thing that I forgot to mention in the unboxing part is that you can actually charge this with the watch charger now, which is pretty handy. So they've added a bunch of magnets on the back, and I've got the watch charger right here, and it just clicks right on now. So you've got a few different methods of charging now. You can use wireless Qi charging, you can use your lightning cable to charge it, you can now use your watch charger. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can charge this thing, but I just wish that you could just charge it like that. Like, come on. There's been some leaks regarding this happening in the near future, but I think this year would have been a perfect year to do it. It just makes sense. MagSafe on the phone, and then now you've got magnets on the AirPods. You know, cross wireless charging should be a thing, but anyways, let's go ahead and toss these on. So right away, it feels pretty much identical to the first generation AirPods Pro, which I thought it would feel that way because design-wise it looks almost the same. And for this sound test, I'm going to be listening to a Weeknd song. I think I'm going to listen to Take My Breath. Of course, I can't play it in the actual video because of copyright, so enjoy some copyright-free music as I listen to this, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts as to what I think about the sound quality. Okay. So, in my opinion, it gets a little bit louder than the previous gen. It's not like a whole lot, but it does get a bit louder. Sound quality, same thing, slightly better, but not like night and day difference. It does sound really good though, I will give it that. And right now I'm on transparency mode, so I'm gonna try it with noise cancellation. Really crisp sound. Like, it is definitely better than the last gen, but like I was saying, it's not like a huge difference. But it's enough that you can tell that there is a bit of an upgrade here with sound quality. Okay, I would say that was a pretty decent upgrade. Sound quality wise, I would say, like, if you have the current AirPods Pro and you're going to this one, you will notice a difference, but I wouldn't say it's enough to like fully upgrade from last gen to this one. Next, I want to try the volume control because that was like a huge seller for me on these AirPods Pros. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Okay, so here's the volume of the AirPods Pro right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and swipe. Oh, that is so easy to control. Damn. It kind of goes down in levels though, so like you'll swipe down. It is just really smooth, just changing the volume up and down. And something cool that I didn't know is that there's a little sound that gives you feedback letting you know that you've adjusted it up or down. So for example, if I hit up right now, it goes like dunk, and then it goes up, so you know that you've actually changed the volume, which is a really nice feature. It could have easily just been like swipe up and down and the volume go flying, but I do like that because, like, you know, I scroll down and I hear like boom, 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 boom as I'm adjusting the audio levels, so that is a huge win. This is going to be so handy, you know, out in public or in the gym, anything really, you know, like, oh, someone's coming near me, oh, time to put the volume down, hey, what's up? That alone is a huge upgrade compared to last gen's AirPods Pro. And I believe that you can adjust the volume on both AirPods, so let's try that. Let's go! That's awesome. Alright, so that is definitely my favorite feature regarding the new AirPods Pros. Being able to adjust the volume on the stem is just a huge win. And one other thing that I of course haven't tested because I literally just opened them up, but the battery life on these are much better as well. So currently the Gen 1 AirPods Pro has a battery life of 4.5 hours with active noise cancellation, and the AirPods Pro Gen 2 has 6 hours. So that's a pretty decent spec bump right there. And then battery life with the case, we get 24 hours on Gen 1 and up to 30 hours on Gen 2. So you're going to have to charge the AirPods Pro Gen 2 less than you would Gen 1, and you have more ways of actually charging it too, so it just makes it way more convenient in my opinion. And like I was saying, I did notice a bit of a difference with the sound quality, and like I was saying, it's not enough to specifically upgrade just for that, but I think if you're someone that wants the added battery life and also wants the volume control, then I would say it's a good enough upgrade to the AirPods Pro to potentially get the new one. So guys, that's going to be it for my unboxing and first impressions of the AirPods Pro Gen 2. This is a solid upgrade in my opinion, and I'm really liking it so far. And like I said, I will be posting a full review on this in about a week or two, so stay tuned for that. And if you do want to pick a pair up for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Other than that, that is really it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to check out a whole bunch of iPhone 14 Pro related videos, make sure you check those out. I've unboxed all of them besides the gold. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.